How to turn off microphone on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off microphone on your iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is to visit our settings app. So to do that, just open up and click on settings right here. And let's scroll down a bit until the privacy and security option. It should be below battery, or just look for it on this settings page. Click on that and you should have many options from here. So what we're going to click to is this microphone option right above the speech recognition option. And from here you should see all the applications that have requested access to a microphone that will appear on this page. So if the toggle button is turned green right beside that app, that means that you have given access to your microphone for that app to use. So for example, I want to turn off the microphone access for Instagram right here. You can just click on this toggle button right here. So I'm going to click on it and it will turn gray. So for example, I'm going to visit Instagram right here. I'm just going to wait for it to load. And I'm going to swipe to the right to open up the stories camera page, and I'm just gonna record a video real quick. And that video that I recorded actually did not have audio, since we did not give the microphone access to this app. So I'm just gonna go back to the page and discard it. I'm gonna go back. And as you can see, once I select this audio option right beside the flash button, it says that it has no audio available for this story since we did not give Instagram the access to our microphone. So that proves that we successfully turned off the microphone on your iPhone. So you can also do this on the other apps like Messenger, TikTok, and WhatsApp, and many other apps. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.